goes the awning. That is the sickest sounding thing we know. Let it idle. Let it idle. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna fix that. Hit the button, bud. Well, guys, it's a half decent day today. We're gonna check on the camper, but we're also gonna see about fixing this garage door. The kid broke it. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna fix that. Hit the button, bud. Yep. Well, that's out of the question. Today's the day we get the dirt bikes out and fire them up. Fire it up, bud. That is the sickest sounding thing we even own. Let it idle. Let it idle. Might as well open up this camper and see. I want to make sure the battery's still charged. It should be, because I kept it plugged in. Brought me a towel out. Hey, Fat Albert. Lay this towel down. Oh. So some of you guys haven't got to see in our camper yet. This is it. This is a real nice camper. What? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it must have came on frickin' plugged. Oh, crap. Okay, she's plugged in and going now. Well, that was the goal, to come out here and check on the battery. I don't know how long it's been unplugged. Why the furnace is trying to ignite, I'll never know. It was turned on. Well, that's nice. Okay. The battery says 100%, 13.7. No way. There goes the awning. Well, the awning still works. Yeah, we're not even gonna look in the refrigerator. Actually, it doesn't even stink. It doesn't stink, guys. Everything looks good. I don't see any leaks. Thank the Lord above. But that furnace needs to shut itself off. Check the bathroom. Bathroom looks a-okay. Our pink stuff still in the toilet. Guys, I did a video on how to winterize your camper. If you want to check that out, if you're curious. You never done it, you pay somebody to do it. Listen, it's super easy. It takes you about an hour. Not even really. Took me about that just because I was filming this video. So guys, I actually put this battery meter in. If you don't have a battery meter like that, it'd be really nice to have one. Can't really read it, but on camera you can hear. But it was like $5 on Amazon. It's really nice to know. And I also installed this puppy right here. Those are nice to have. So let me get out of here. It was unplugged out of the sunroom, Christopher.
It was?
Yeah, it was. I have no idea why or how it got unplugged. I don't know. But the battery was dead. I don't know. I have not taken this air box off since I bought this machine brand new. Well, at least it's not horrible in there. Definitely needs taken off and cleaned. I will do that. Well, me being a dummy, I forgot to come out and start this thing once in a while. It's got a dead battery. That's the first time that battery's ever been dead. Oh, we'll let it charge. The battery on the four-wheeler, it goes dead even in the summertime because it's just a junk battery. It's 2017, so 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 4 years. That's actually good for a power sports battery. Well, real quick, I wanted to show you guys. This is what happens when idiots hit your truck and don't even say nothing to you. Isn't that wonderful? Just enough to make you mad. I can't even buff that out. It's most of it I could. This down here, nope, paint's gone. Well guys, this is a short one. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go down there and give me a thumbs up. We got a couple videos for you planned. I might do this week. It's warming up, so it's looking good. Please get down there and like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.